Hello, welcome to Getting It Done Home Budget Repairs. Today I'm going to be replacing my Craftsman garage door keypad. But in this video I'll also be showing you how to install your new keypad and set your keypad up with your garage door opener. Now I've been having a bit of issues with this. I thought maybe it was a battery issue because I recently did a video where I replaced the battery and it was working for a little while and then it started acting up again. I actually think this garage door opener keypad has actually seen better days, so I think it's time to change it. So let's get to the video. So this is the new universal garage door wireless keypad that I had bought off of Amazon. I'll leave links below this video where you can find this one. As I said, it's universal, so it works with Craftsman, LiftMaster, and another one I can't really remember. And it also comes with two remotes that you can put on your keychain, you know, with your car keys or whatever, so that you can just keep it on you at all times. When you come home, you press the button and it works. You don't have to use the keypad. I just thought I'd give it a try, but as long as I got the keypad that works fine, I'm happy. So take it out of the box. We have our keypad. We have a screw and a plastic wall plug in case you need to install it to your wall. Let's open it up, take a look at it. Open it up, you have the instructions on the inside here on how to do it. Instructions came with it as well. It's pretty basic. This is just your keypad, but just in case you're not sure what to do with these, that's why I'm making this video. It came with a battery as well. So it has a plastic cover on it. You want to take the cover off the battery. So we'll just match this up with the battery and we'll install it to the battery. Put that back inside so we have power. Put the little door back on. So on the garage door opener, you'll have the plastic covers here that go over your light and stuff. So you just push these buttons on the inside to drop it. It could be on either side. Right here we have the red learn button, or orange, red or orange learn button. Now your Craftsman or LiftMaster garage door opener may have purple, it may have a yellow, it may have the green or red orange button. So I'm going to tell you what to do in case yours is a different color, but just so we know that this one here is the red orange button. So before we go any further, I want to show you this. If you look here, so it says here garage door opener type. So you may have a yellow learn button, a purple learn button, red orange learn button, or green learn button on your garage door opener. Let's say you have a purple learn button. You're going to press the enter button here 2 times. And it tells you number of times that you press the enter button right here. So ours has the red orange learn button, so we're going to have to press the enter button 3 times after we press our 4-digit PIN number. Now you just choose a 4-digit PIN number of your choice and don't forget it. So now we're going to press the star and the pound buttons and until the lights stop blinking. I know you probably can't see that, but the lights are flashing. There, they stopped flashing. It made a sound. So now we're going to enter our 4-digit PIN number and then press the pound button. And then we're going to press and release the enter button the number of times that correspond with this learn button. So this one is red orange, so it's going to be 3 times. So we're going to put our 4-digit PIN in, hit the pound button, and then we're going to hit enter 3 times because it corresponds with that. Then we're going to push this button here. It's the learn button. It's going to light up. Now we're going to press in our PIN again and click enter, and there. That means it just learned how to do this because the lights flashed. It says twice here, but it only does it once. Now we're going to test it. my garage door is open, so we're just gonna put our pin in and see if it closes. There we go. It works. Okay, now I want to install the new garage door opener keypad, wireless keypad here. So I have to remove this one and put this one on. Man, is it ever windy here today. So I think I have to take this screw out and remove the battery to get at the screw where it's mounted to the wall here. So I'm just going to take that out, and I do see a screw that's in there. I think I need a different screwdriver for this. We'll see. Nope, we got it. Actually, I should get a different screwdriver. I'm going to save this battery because it's a brand new battery. And there. All I did was, it's got a slotted hole, so I just had to undo this screw here and then slide it up and off. See, it just hangs on there. This screw here, I guess, is just to keep it from someone taking it. It's mounted to the wall. So we may be able to use this existing screw that's on there. We can. It hangs on there nice, but this screw here, the existing one is up here. So I'll just drill a hole through here and put the screw on. But for now, we won't go through all that. All you need to do is drill a hole and then put the screw through it. It's not a big deal. So for now, we'll just leave it hanging there. It's good to go. So if you end up getting the wireless keypad like I have, you're going to have those remotes for your keychain. I'm going to show you how to program those with your garage door opener right now. Okay, so now we're going to program this garage door opener that you're going to be carrying around with you. So we have to go to our Learn button, press it, the light comes on, and then we press one of these buttons and hold it till these lights blink. There we go. Now I believe it's going to work. We will test it now to see if it works. Look at that. That's great. You can press it again and stop it and it'll go back the other way. Okay, now all you got to do is program this garage door opener and it'll work as good as this one here. I want to thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to hit that like button. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.